Good day, sir. My name is Ronji G. Katspero, is2G BSMT. The Global Maritime Distress and Safety System, or GMDSS, is an internationally agreed upon set of protocols and procedures designed to increase safety and make it easier to rescue distressed ships, boats, and aircrafts. It utilizes various subsystems including satellite communications, digital selective calling or DSC, emergency position indicating radio beacons or APIRBs, search and rescue transportation SARTs, and NAVTEX to provide distress alerting, locating, and coordination capabilities worldwide. Ang kaning Global Maritime Distress and Safety System or GMDSS, mao ni siya gamit para sa safety ang pagbiyahe sa barko sa tibuok kalibutan. Mausad ni kailangan para madali ang pag-rescue ug naaman gani aksidente na mahitabo. Mao ni siya maghatag og signal ug emergency sa mga tao para makahibaw sila na naay aksidente na tabo sa kada barko.